Hello everyone, today I am going to introduce our innovative project which is ball speed analyzer system. This system is designed to measure the accurate speed of ball in real time. So first we have to upload a video. It will automatically detect the pitch region of interest and show which is video is 241.03 frame per second and duration is 0.04. So the next step is ball detections. So it will actually in real time detecting the ball in every frame. So we have 241.03 frame per second video and it will detecting the ball in every frame. This advanced system uses computer vision techniques which is OpenCV and including object detection YOLOv11 which is latest version. We have obtained our model accuracy 92.03%. So ball is detecting in 84 frames, and this is actually the graph showing ball detection with respect to time and their frame number. So the next step is speed analysis. We have obtained 70 km per hour average speed and 120.6 km is maximum speed. Now the CSV file is downloaded for our cross check. Let have a max formula here in speed column. So for that we obtain 120 kilometer per hour. So this is actually the precise accurate. So higher speed is detected in 139 and 140 frame. So 139 has x1 pixel point, y1 pixel point and t1 their time, and the same has 140 frame x2 pixel point, y2 pixel point and their time to t2. So for calculating the distance, so we use here Pythagoras theorem, which is actually under root del x square plus del y square. So del x has been calculated using minusing the x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1, and now we have to calculate the time interval calculation. So for that we have to actually calculating a del t, which is t time 2 minus time 1. Now we have to calculate speed in pixel per second by using formula distance divided by time. We have get 4861 pixel per second. For that we have conversion into meter per second by multiplying 0.006891. We have get 33.5 meter per second. By converting into kilometer per hour we use by multiplying 3.6. So we will get 120 kilometer per hour. So now we have verified that calculated and recorded speed is actually equal.